to help stop dandruff from coming back. That's the new era for Head and Shoulders.
Bigatin ang dramang hatid na magsusa ka, ka-partner ang Head and Shoulders. Sabi ni Doc, kailangan ng bata masustansang pagkain. Hirap pagsabay-sabay ng bilhin. Buti, may tiki-tiki na may vitamin na katulong sa pagbigay ng kumpletong sustansa sa anak ko.
Hindi! Mag-join ang power mula!
Tatagal ba yan? Higit na 3 araw.
Siyempre! Bawat mata may concentration kaya may power mula na hindi gusto ko. Ano mula? Ihalo man ang gamitan sa tubig?
Pwedeng tumagal araw-araw.
Join with power mula!
When it comes to giving him the right breakfast, sigurita ako. Kaya I give him Nestle Coco Crunch. Ngayon, gawain ito sa whole grain for more nutrition. When I see the Nestle whole grain symbol in Coco Crunch, alam kong he's getting key nutrients tulad ng fiber, vitamins, at protein. Kaya he has the energy to stay focused and active in school. Nestle Coco Crunch, now with whole grain. Kids love it, moms trust it.
Sometimes, when you experience that sensitivity, a patient always thinks, oh, I must have a cavity, but that's not always the case. It can be triggered by either drinking something hot, drinking something cold. All of those can produce a sharp, stabbing pain. It's what we call
Ang
unusual.
lakas na kumain ng Coco Crunch.
One toothpaste that manages sensitivity.
Isang karton ko lang pa.
Class and gives you that